Oh, another one. That sand is so hot. Yeah, he's looking right at us. Yeah. Let's go in.
Oh, God.
Look at this guy.
Hello.
What a beast. Casual chickens.
What?
So yeah, we're just gonna let our lunch settle for a bit, and we're gonna go back in the sea. So just chill out, cool off. Said it's hot. The sand is boiling on your feet.
Yeah.
I just felt a bit go in my sandal.
Same.
It is hot. That sand is so hot.
Jesus Christ.
There we go.
Oh, people running. I was like, it's still burning.
The sand is so hot.
Oh, how I need water.
Oh, there we go. Woo. Oh, fish. Yeah, little one. Is it still quite shallow over there?
No, I'm just swimming.
This will probably be our last day in the sea.
Oh, yes. Ooh, still can't touch. Oh, lovely.
So what do you think about the Caribbean beaches, the Caribbean side of Costa Rica?
Beautiful.
It's a vibe, isn't it?
Yeah. The water's warm.
Yeah, so for me and Tash, this is our like first time experiencing like seawater that's actually warm. People have always said, oh yeah, the water's warm, and I'll be like, no it's not, it's actually cold, but the water here is actually toasty. It's lovely. And then they play Caribbean music all the time, and yeah, there's all the Caribbean food, and everything's got a Caribbean twist on it. It's lovely. So yeah, this is going to be our last day in the ocean. So we're making the most of it and chilling here in, is it Punta Uva? I believe that's how you pronounce it. Which is about 15 minutes up the road from where we're staying. Oh, it's lovely. It's like a little cove basically. And apparently there's some good snorkeling over there, so we might rent out some snorkeling gear and have a look over that later.
stir, I suppose.
Oh, another one. There's two. Do you not want to be standing on them? Jeez. There's two.
Oh.
Crab.
Oh.
I don't know if you can see, but there's so many crabs. Like you see there? All of these holes have got crabs in them. Maybe they eat the coconut. See that one?
Do you want to